see the look over there. You know what? Let's just take it out. I've already taken it out of the box and kind of looked over it. I haven't mounted it in my van yet, but I'm going to. Let me show you everything you get with it. So number one, it came packaged just like it. Here's the unit itself. You could see it's a very good quality unit. And then in this package here, you get, it looks like you get a ring if you want to put a MagSafe ring. This has 3M tape on it, which is very strong. That'll go on the back of your phone if you don't already have that. They give you 2 of them. How about that? You know what? You can see right there. Look how strong that's, everybody, that is very strong. You can see that. Wow, look at that. You get a little clear kind of piece of tape right here. And this, and I kind of like going over the instructions. It'll show you how to line it up. You get a little thing, this wraps around the phone to hold it straight, and then you go on there. Very cool that they add that alcohol prep pad for putting that on there. You can kind of see, but luckily I don't need that. Let me show you what's on my phone. Here's my phone, and I've got this case. I'll leave a link to this case also, and check out this right here. This is a magnet in and of itself, and it's a little ring, but watch this. Look how strong that is, everybody. That is super strong on the both of those. I'm not going to use these rings right now or any of this stuff. It looks like you can see the protective film, the clean wipes, how and it shows you how you can put it on right there. Pretty self-explanatory. And then how to put it on a vent. So there's the usable air vents. Mine's the long ways. There's vertical, and you know the long ways like that, circle vents. You can't use it in these types of vents. Just so you know, you're not going to be able to use it in those vents. So what this does, this loosens up here, and that's how that one goes. And then you loosen that one. Check that out. Y'all see that hook? It tightens up on a vent. Let me go ahead and take this thing out to my van, and let's lock it in, and let's see how cool this thing works, because I think this is going to be awesome. So let's do that now. Okay, here I am. I'm in my van here. Let me go ahead and show you how this thing works. So you see it has that hook on there. I have the vent here. Now my vents are kind of loose, so if you've got a newer model, your vents might not be this loose, but let me show you how this works. So I'm going to try to hold the camera and do this one-handed. You're going to take this hook just like this, slide it in there, and when it slides in, see how it's hooked on? Now you see going to the right is how this thing locks. So it's slowly tightening up as I'm going down on that. And there it is. That's tight. That's actually on there really good. Let me back up some. You can see how it added a little kind of like magnetic thing right here. So right here's my phone. Watch this, everybody. Look how my phone just holds right there on the spot. Now I can sit here and I could go through the apps, or like if I want to pull my navigation up, turn music on or anything like that. Or if I'm sitting somewhere, not driving, and I just want to kind of watch a movie or chill out, this would work great while I'm just kind of like hanging out. And then what I like about this, unlike say like a mount up here that I have to open up, check it out. Just pull it straight off, just like that. And when I get in, I just drop it on there and it's locked into place. It's not coming off of there on any, well, if you're bouncing that much, you probably got bigger worries than your cell phone, but check it out. You just lock it on there and that thing sits on there. Now, like I said, my vents are a little older model, so it's a little loose, but I don't think it'll do that on newer model vents. I like having a mount right here for my phone and everything that I need. I think it's gonna work out great because it runs my stereo. I've got it Bluetooth, and I also have wireless CarPlay, which I have that set up too. So I can just lock this in and have what I need there and then go from there. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's the Hevis, however you would say that, magnetic car vent phone holder. See y'all in the next video.